It's almost Father's Day, and recently we did a really awesome video with gorgeous tropical plants for moms. We went really big in that video, but dads, I promise that we have not forgotten you here. And I've got a really cool theme for dad's gifts for Father's Day. We've got a tree theme, a really masculine, rugged theme for the guys out there. And I want to start with the star of the trees. This is the brown turkey fig, and I've seen a lot of guys in the nursery eyeballing these trees, and I don't blame them. They're really cool. They produce enough figs out on the patio in a container for your entire family. And that's just a really neat plant and something kind of different for dad, especially if they give it a little lime and some 5-10-5 fertilizer, then they'll get figs like crazy through the season. Then also I've got this kind of cute little tree. This is actually a pesto tree. It's a special kind of basil in this little tree shape. So for those dads who love to cook, that's a really neat little tree for him. Then for the dads who love to drink beer, sit out on the patio and enjoy themselves, we got this cool Corona bucket with an awesome lime tree. Just like the fig, this could produce enough limes for the entire family for the year for dad to put into his beer if he wants. But also kind of, when dad's sitting out on the patio, he really wants to enjoy his beer. So get him a cool citronella plant. This really helps keep the mosquitoes away in a natural way. And I think that's also a neat little addition so he really enjoys his Father's Day. Then I also have this one really cool tree. This is an olive tree. For the dad that wants to feel like he's off in Tuscany or something like that, they're kind of a really neat tree, flocked by these really cool stone birds, really nice masculine gift for dad. Then I had another thought. Why not create a little kit for dad? I love these wood whiskey barrels. It kind of fits with our tree theme. And here I've created a salsa kit. So I've got this really cool hot pepper that can get planted right in here, along with cilantro, perfect for salsa, and then a tomato. Then they can make their own salsa at home. We also have these really cool patio tomatoes, which are perfect in a container right out on the patio. So dad could get really fancy and make up some of his own homemade salsa. Or you could do even a cool drink kit because we have this really cool mojito mint. I even love the tag. It's just fun on it. Combine it with a strawberry and some basil, and dad could get really gourmet and make some really cool drinks for his friends while they're outside and grilling and barbecuing. So dads, I promised we would not forget you on Father's Day. We have some really cool gifts for you. Kids, moms, come on in. We'll help you out. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.